That's right, Emily.
You found one. No, after. No.
What are we gonna draw today?
Well, we are going to draw a mom and a baby whale. And here's the problem. I've got people outside painting my house. So we've got to do a quick class today with, we're not going to have time for a story. That's not good, right?
No.
Thank you for the picture.
So we got to go straight to the picture. Is everybody ready to go or no?
Yes. Yeah, I'm
Well,
ready.
let's rock and roll. What do you say?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do.
You take that kitty cat fort down.
I'm going to see that kitty cat fort one of these days. I'm excited about it.
I know how to go.
Okay, instead of drawing the ground, you guys, we're going to go like this. Can anybody guess what these are? Landscape. Does anybody know what I'm drawing right here?
Ocean.
Yeah, I'm drawing the ocean. You guys are so smart.
It's because we've seen this.
Well, that might be true. All right, I'm gonna put a little mute on here. If you guys need to share anything, you can hit your space bar. All right, now the first thing I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna divide my paper. I've got the top part and the bottom part. I'm gonna put the mom whale on the bottom part. Now this is not a Mother's Day card. This is a Mother's Day picture for your mom. We're gonna do the cards probably Friday, or I'm doing it Saturday morning. Okay, so look, right here, I'm gonna do a big circle coming out, but I'm gonna bring it way over here and stop before I get to the water. So do you see how I curved it up and stopped before I got to the water? Now this is gonna be different than a Mother's Day card because this is actual artwork that your mom can hang up and she's gonna love it. Okay. So now curve your tail up a little bit and then bring it into the water like this. But look, I left a little opening right there. So everybody make sure you leave that opening. And that way it's gonna look like the tail's connected. Okay, so let's do the tail first. I'm gonna do one fin right here. And it almost looks like a mustache. That's funny. I never thought about that until I drew it. It kind of looks like a mustache. All right. Now we're going to come way over here and we're going to draw one eye. And I'm making it pretty big. And I'm going to do that trick where we put the circles in it. And I'm also going to add some eyelashes. And then right here, I'm going to see something real quick. Don't do it. I'm going to put a smiley face right there. Okay. I had to test it real quick with my pencil, and I think I like that one better. Okay, so that is a good looking mama whale. Now at the very top of her head, I'm going to put the blow spout or the blowhole. I'm going to color it in to make it look like you can see inside of it. Okay, now I'm at the halfway part of my paper just about. So we've got to be super careful now because we've got to leave room for the whale. Does anyone want to guess where the baby whale is going to go? Some people might think right next to it. Guess what? Guess what I do now? Do you guys see how the waves came up like this? I'm going to put a dot right in between those two waves. Okay? And that's going to be the tip of my waves this time, and they're going to come around like this. So now it looks like my waves are three-dimensional. And it looks like the whale's actually in the water. Okay, now coming out of the blow spout, blowhole, whatever it is, watch what I do. One diagonal line, two diagonal lines, and then smaller ones in here, and then one right there. Okay, now make the letter C right there and a backward C right there. Okay, now make a sad face there and a sad face there. And then connect these. Okay, now inside, just go like this, right there. And I'm just making three little ends and like that. So now everybody's thinking, where are we going to put that baby whale? Well, I've got a plan. Are you guys ready? Do you remember how we made this shape right here for the big whale? We're going to do that exact same shape, but we're going to do it way up here. And am I going to let it touch the bottom? Nope. Stop it right there. So the mom and the baby whale were on the way to school, and the baby whale's like, Mom, pick me up. So she put him on the back, and then she played a trick on him and blew him up in the air with the water, and he or she loved it. All right, remember we kept that open. And we're going to make our mustache again. And we're going to do our cute little eye. And our smile. I added two more little bumps down there because I wanted to go around. You guys don't have to do that. Okay, so I have tons of negative space here. So over here, maybe I could put a moon. And then maybe over here, I can make some different clouds. I'm not going to make puffy clouds because the puffy clouds would mix the puffy little water. So I wanted to make them different enough so it doesn't look the same. So these are my line clouds that I like to make. And that's just to take up negative space. All right. So that, now remember, this is a present for your mom. And if you want to, you can flip it over and you can write something nice to your mom or just put your name on it. And you can put Mother's Day, I think is May 10th, 2020. And then mom will always know not only who it's from, but what year you made it for. Moms like stuff like that. Dads do too, but it seems like everyone always forgets Father's Day. Not sure what the scoop is with that. All right. I'm going to unmute you guys. And I would like to see some of your guys' artwork. Olivia, what are you wearing on your head, sweetheart? I love it. It looks very comfy. And it's keeping your ears warm. Emily, I'm going to come to you, sweet pea.
Grandpa.
Wow. Honey, you did so good. And look how happy your smile is. And you wrote honey, your handwriting is very nice. Nice job, Tom. Colette, I'm coming to you, sweetheart.
Like,
Ooh, Colette, I love all the stars. That's amazing. Good job.
in the middle and two overlines, or you could just
Who
I'll
else?
show you.
I'm coming to my
I'll
dude.
show you my
That's
version.
this.
I'll show you my version.
So much fun. Good job. Let's see the other one. Oh, you're already putting fun colors in there. Oh, look at that baby Yoda. Love
Do
it.
that.
Coming to Mason Lim. So much fun, you guys.
Hi, mystery.
Who said that?
Grayson Francis, the best ever.
All right, you little pumpkins. Have a good day.
You, bye.
Hey, Amy. I didn't even see you in there. Hey, Maddie and Eleanor. Oh, it's just one of you again. Coming to Lucia. Look at that bow on your hair. Love it. Two bows, not on your hair, on your skin. So good.
This is my version of the sunset. He went to me after the first place.
Millie, let me see yours, honey. Love it.
A lot of stuff.
So good.
We need like light colors in this one.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to leave this open for a little bit so you guys can see.
There's that little black thingy.
I love it. Has your cat been in there yet?
No, I'm still setting it up.
Okay, I want a picture of when the cat gets in there. Deal or no deal?
Deal.
All right, I like that.